The Chevy Tahoe's infotainment system in models from 2015 onwards may experience occasional freezes. A soft reboot is a quick fix for minor glitches. Simply press and hold the power button on the screen or steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. This clears temporary memory without deleting your personal data. A hard reset or factory reset erases all user data, restoring the system to its original factory settings. Access this option via the infotainment menu, Settings, System, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Remember to back up any important data before proceeding, as this will wipe Bluetooth pairings and saved presets. Frozen screens in the Chevrolet Tahoe infotainment system are often caused by overheating, software conflicts, or corrupted apps. The main causes include overheating, software conflicts, and corrupted apps. These can prevent the system from responding properly. If a soft reboot doesn't work, try disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 minutes to discharge capacitors. This can resolve electrical glitches causing the freeze. Alternatively, attempt an emergency off mode by simultaneously holding the volume and home buttons if your Tahoe is equipped with them. For persistent problems, check for available software updates via USB by downloading from Chevrolet's website or over the air if your Tahoe supports it. To prevent future freezes, keep your system updated, avoid overloading it with too many connected devices, and ensure proper ventilation to prevent thermal shutdowns. As a last resort, especially if under warranty, seek professional service from a certified Chevrolet technician.